Good morning, students. I hope all of you are preparing for your pre-practice test. Today, I will discuss about the exam pattern of IT, and IT exam will be of 50 marks. Okay, so MCQ 2 marks and 3 marks questions. So let us discuss about that question pattern. Okay, so class 9 students, all of you see MCQ 2 marks and 3 marks. 3 parts will be there in your question paper. MCQ, you will get 25 questions and each question is of 1 marks. So it will be of 25 marks where you will get a question and 4 options or 3 options, and out of that you have to select, you have to select the right answer that I will show you afterwards, and it is of 25 marks. 25 into 1, that is of 25. Next is 2 marks questions. 2 marks questions will be of that is there total 5 questions, that is of 2 marks, so total will be 10 marks, 2 into 5. Okay, and third part is 3 marks. 3 marks question, it is also 5 questions are there, and each one is of 3 marks, so 3 into 5, total 15 marks. Okay, so MCQ 25 marks, 2 marks 10 questions, and 3 marks 5 question 10 marks, and 3 marks question 5, that is 15 marks. So total is of 50 marks. Okay, I hope all of you clear. 25, 10 and 15, 50 marks. Now we will see which type, how the questions will come. Like 1 marks questions, that is MCQ, in this way it will come. Like question 1, suppose it is dash is what enables the person to transmit their thoughts into actions. So you can see here there are 4 options: diligence, positive outlook, self-belief and self-confidence. So here you can see the circles. Which circle will be right, that you have to click. Suppose positive outlook is correct, then this one you have to click B, and if it is self-confidence is correct, then you have to click over here. Okay, so like diligence is that what enables the person to translate their thoughts into actions, so here you have to click. Is it clear? Similarly, second question you see, dash the person introducing a new thought. So which answer will be correct, you have to click. Okay, like receiver, then communicator, encoder and sender, 4 options are there. Out of that, which answer is correct, that you have to click. Okay, now we will see 2 marks question. 2 marks question, here you can see in this way it will come. All of you just see here. Number 1, like just for example I have given here, like a dash leave a good first impression during an interview. Okay, so here I have given 4 options. 2 types it may come, like one, like here you can see question number 2, what do you mean by close-ended questions? Okay, so here no options are there, you have to write the answer in this box. This type of box will come. Okay, so here you have to write limited options for answer. What do you mean by close-ended questions? That means limited options for answers. So if that is 1 word answer, you have to write 1 word. That means this thing you can write 2 or 3 words are here, so that is very short answer. So this type of answer you have to write. And here this type of question may come, like 4 options are there. Out of this 4, which option is correct, that option you have to write over here. Okay, like here personal hygiene and grooming, this is the answer, so you have to write down in this box. If the answer is big, then you can click from here. Okay, right down arrow or up arrow, or right and left arrow. Like here, this is, you can see when I am clicking here, it's coming to that side. So this type of box you can see in your question paper where you have to write the answer. Is it clear? Okay, now we will see 3 marks question. So 3 marks question, here you can see yes, how will you ambiguity, how will you refer ambiguity. So here the options are given. See, difficulty in understanding or explaining something, difficulty in comprehension caused by making different interferences, and C option is both A and B. Which option will be correct, that you have to write over here. You will not supposed to click here. Okay, here you will not get any circle like in MCQ. In 2 marks and 3 marks you will not get any circle. You have to write the answer. Okay, so here in this box you have to write the answer. Which answer is correct, that you have to write over here. Or this type of questions may come, how do you know if a website is secure? So here you have to write the answer. Like if the prefix of the website is HTTP, then we can understand, we can get that website is secure. Okay, so in this way you will write the answer. I hope all of you clear. This type of box in 2 marks and 3 marks will come where you have to write the answer, and in MCQs you will get the circle where you have to just click over there, and then finally you have to submit. Okay, so best of luck if you give the exam properly. Thank you.